In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open and download a file or link shared in a ChatGPT conversation. To get started, open the ChatGPT conversation where the file or link was shared with you. Take a moment to locate the exact message that contains the attachment or clickable link. This is important because sometimes there may be multiple responses in the same conversation, and you want to make sure you are opening the correct item. Once you find it, click the link provided by ChatGPT. If ChatGPT shared a direct link, this should open a new page in your browser. If it shared a file instead, you may see either a file preview or a download page, depending on your device and browser settings. In some cases, the file might start loading immediately, while in others, you'll need to wait a few seconds for the page to fully open. If a download button appears, go ahead and click it. This will usually save the file directly to your device. Depending on your browser, you may also be asked where you want to save it, or it may automatically go into your default downloads folder. If you're not sure where the file went, check your browser's download history or your device's downloads folder. If the link does not work, don't worry. Go back to the ChatGPT conversation and ask ChatGPT to regenerate the file or the link. Sometimes a link may expire, or a file may not have generated properly the first time. Requesting a new version is often the fastest solution. If you're trying this on a mobile device and the download is not working correctly, try using a desktop browser instead. Some file types and download pages work more reliably on a computer, especially if your phone blocks pop-ups, redirects, or automatic downloads. Once the file has downloaded, save it to your device if it hasn't been saved automatically. Make sure you place it somewhere easy to find, especially if you plan to use it again later. Finally, open the downloaded file to confirm that it works. This is a simple but important last step. It lets you verify that the file downloaded completely and opens as expected. If it doesn't open, return to the conversation and try the link again or ask ChatGPT to regenerate the file. That's it. By following this process, you can reliably open, download, and confirm files or links shared in ChatGPT.